A new mulching technique is helping save trees and money in the city of Greenville.
The product is a mixture of recycled tires that have been shredded and gravel bound together with a urethane bonding agent. Stays flexible after it cures and allows water to penetrate through to continue to water the vegetation beneath. So the first thing that we do is we identify the areas that we need to put the product down in and prep the area, get rid of all loose debris. We get rid of any exposed tree roots and any vegetation that we do not want to come back. Then we mix the product up on site and place it similar to any other concrete placement. Every 3 square feet accounts for 1 tire that does not make it into the landfill. In the history of Greenville using this product, we've saved over 1,500 tires from being put in the nation's landfills.
This new mulching technique is sustainable, using high volumes of recycled tires in its construction. It's ADA compliant and can be used effectively to repair sidewalks and trip hazards without removing canopy trees. It's flexible and does not crack like conventional pavement. It manages stormwater, allowing groundwater to efficiently return into the earth while controlling erosion. And it does not readily absorb heat from the sun, helping to alleviate what is called the urban heat island effect.
We feel that it's the best way to save our trees and be responsible environmental citizens.
This new mulching technique requires less time for upkeep and less money spent on materials.
In the end, the taxpayers are the ones who save the money.